Sure, see what else.
And welcome to Beijing! Yeah. We are in Great Wall. So stay tuned, I want to show you what is Great Wall in China. I have to walk about 2 kilometers until the reach to the Great Wall. But it is really windy. Windy day and very cold. Let's continue. Okay, from this security they take off my drone. Okay, anyway, I cannot show you the Great Wall by the drone, but I keep shooting videos for you guys. Let's go, Lucky, Mr. Lucky, you are so lucky.
Mr. Lucky from Nigeria.
Let's go.
Zanna.
Wow, it's first time. Finally. Okay, from here, this is the gate. You should pay. Your card, it's discount half of price. Don't forget your passport. Hey, you hungry? You hungry? Really? What's up? Hey. Hey. Do you like it? No? No? You don't like it? I'm sorry, I have only this. This is good train. Hello stars! Hello stars! Wait. Where are you?
I'm here.
Oh, you're amazing, man! It's a video. Okay.
أنا كون أستاذ ها كون أنا برد تشيم أبي أستاذ أبي تشام قرب سنة لين مردبي بويا بزمو رزمو مقالتني ومش أخوه مدرس كيف ونيا قالك زحمة طبعا.
Guys, it's freezing here, but
Pretty cold
it's very,
around here.
Yeah, it's very cool, but it's very wonderful. I really enjoy it.
Yeah.
It's a great world. It's very
Our first time. It's first time to come in here,
Yeah,
and
yeah,
it's
yeah.
worth it.
It's my first time. You
My
too,
first
right?
time, yeah.
Okay.
Again, like, share, subscribe. How's your feeling?
It is good.
Good, right?
Yeah, it's good.
You are fine. A little bit hungry, little bit, right?
Should be angry.
It's cold, but we are lucky. It's not raining.
Yes.
If it's raining, it will be more difficult. هاي سيرة حمودي بياي بيزور هاتوه are in the middle of the Great Wall, and I feel tired. It's enough, and we don't have much time, right, Simon?
Yeah.
Okay, so I think we cannot get from this top. I wish I could go there, but maybe for next time. أنا بيا بيرانا بينم هاتون بيرا أستاذ بغير دم قريا يعني عيب على منيم بوم شو أنا هر دورة أستاذ يعني هو 4 كيلومتر الروا هاتشي بأوسر هاتشي بأوشاخة حالي حاضر أستاذ علي بابتشين أما بصوب ده يوانا راستي جران خوش ينزل تعاونا اوكي محمد هلبو تعاونا والله مع السلامة إلى الجردن إلى الأردن But they don't know anything about the Great Wall. Finally, we are going down. Hello, Ustaz Muhammad. أي أخبار بالجوردن؟ You should say. يلا حبايب قلبي. This is a tower. If you want to go up, you should pay 100 yuan. Say hello to my camera and you will see yourself in your YouTube. Zero. Ta-da-ta-tan! And we all go to the inside with Hamoudi. أم جادية أويك استعراضي سربازية جندية كان أم جادية. ام شو اخیر شو معنا لبیجین نما توانی بچیم بو شوی تر برسی معنا حمودی زوی برسیه باي باي بيجين Thank you. Thank you. From here, we ended the vlog and story of Beijing. So stay tuned. We will see each other in the next vlog and another story. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Where are you going now?
This guy is crazy.